You're cleaning up. Hey, Shreya, what sound does an elephant make? Do that again. Let me see your mouth. Do it again.
I have to clean up.
Oh, you have to clean up? Okay, sorry. Can you sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star for me?
No.
No, she wouldn't sing for me yesterday. How about... what sound does an elephant make? He's like, how about no, Mom? You did all that cleaning up. Did you do all that cleaning up? Good job. Good job. Now can you sing for me?
No.
No. Are you a rascal? Thank you.
I cleaned up.
You're very good. Hey, Shreya, do you want to watch Barney?
Yeah.
What are you?
I'm the cuckoo head.
Sam,
I love Barney Season.
Barney Seasons, not Barney Manners?
Not Barney Manners.
Just Barney Seasons. What happens after the basketball?
When basketball came, it turned green.
It turns green.
Yeah.
Because after the basketball game, it turns to summer in Barney Seasons, and it all turns green, right?
When the basketball came, it turned green.
Turns green.
When the basketball came, it turned green.
I'm a cuckoo head. I watch Barney.
I'm the cuckoo and I'm the clown.
I'm the clown?
Yeah.
What's Dee Dee?
Seal.
She's the seal. I'm the clown and you're the cuckoo head?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can you...
I love Barney.
Okay. Can you sing the I Love You song?
No.
If you sing the I Love You song, I'll watch Barney with you.
I can't.
Not right now?
Not right now.
You want to do it later?
I'll do it later.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What noise
sound
does
does an elephant make?
Bye-bye.
Priya, what sound does
Priya,
an
what
elephant
sound does an elephant make? What is it?
I don't know how to do it. Now I'll do it.
Okay. You're horrible. Priya's the best. Do it. Do it.
It's kind of like a sick bird.
Okay, Shreya, now you do what Dee Dee does. Look, you see her mouth? Hold on. Do it again, Shreya.
No, it's...
Very good, my little elephant.
First of all, if this family is ever forced to rely upon elephant impersonations to make a living, we are going to starve to death.